Turn around. Yeah, pretty boy. Aw. Did you just lay down in there? Yes, you did. Yeah. Is there a bug in there? No, I think it's a piece of grass. Yeah, very interesting piece of grass. Oscar, now we always use your butt. Come on, turn around. Turn around, come on. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good boy. You look so skinny when your hair is wet. And I don't know what that punk thing is happening underneath. Did it come this way? Did it come this way? Yeah. Yeah. You hear something? Are the people at the neighbor's house? Oscar, you gonna come here? Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come, come, come.